Hello everyone, this is KINGREAL Machinery. Today we are checking the open cell sealing, or to say Grilyato production line. This is the electrical decoiler. This one is the precision leveler. They're all equipped with independent electrical boxes. This one we are checking with the perforation press and also cut to length press. This punching press is from famous brand Yangli. Its tonnage is 16 tons. Also, we equipped with the high precision servo feeder, so that you can feed very precisionally. This one we are equipped with the 4-ton cut to length press. It is for cutting the open cell products to length. As we can see now in our screen, the length is 1,804 millimeters. So we can see how long it punches many steps, 16 steps also. See, punch, go. And the next step is the roll forming machine. Of course, we cannot forget this belt conveyor. It's for conveying. It makes so long because sometimes as we can see, we make 1.8 meters long, 2.4 meters long. We need this long conveyor. So the last step is the roll forming machine. The roll forming machine is also very high precision. It's these are the rollers are made of very good material, CR12, and also the motor is very high power. It can run up to 50 meters per minute. And after the roll forming, as we can see, is the Grilyato product table. This is the product table. We're collecting the samples that we've produced, and we will be making up we will be making our own open cell system, and we'll be with more photos in our website, in our YouTube channel, also TikTok channel. So, thank you everyone for your attention. I cannot wait to see you in the next video.